Hi.
The sliding doors of the time machine will focus on for your safety. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children.
Para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados y mantengan los manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro de la fila.
The sliding doors in your time machine will close automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, The sliding doors in your time machine will close.
During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate back and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey,
public schools, and then began teaching and treating the subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today.
Che ti vuole, io ne amo di matematici, Sofia. Prosperate. Teorisome, posti matematici,
And the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed and lost forever. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Greek, the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Now knowledge can travel faster than the book, and travel as you. Books make us into invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
To witness the driving of the golden spike.
Sound in Wales. Today, June 19, 1928, will forever be known as the day that she flew across the Atlantic and into the hearts of the people of the world. Amelia Earhart has gone where her book has gone before, and the young people with a passion for shaping the future, the power of the computer in everyone's hands.
Your time machine is now rotating backwards. Please remain seated. Attention. You are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers. Please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. In preparation for your return to Earth, your time machine is now rotating
For the first time in history, what else can ever say about the kind of world we want to live in? The choices that we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, ask a few questions. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready? Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. And now I believe your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Welcome to the future. Or should I say, your future. Thanks to you, the color of the future is green. Your car runs on environmentally friendly fuels, and your green home conserves and generates its own energy. Your garden is filled with fruits and vegetables, grown with recycled water or distilled seawater. Your green home will have its own water recycling system, and the walls will be built of natural materials like earth, wood, and rock, which also provide great insulation for low energy consumption. Without sacrificing your comfort, the living room can be an actual living room, with real grass providing a natural carpet. And the mountains are never far away, thanks to digital displays that can create the environment you prefer. You can live the good life and the green life in your home in the city, because in the future, every day is Earth Day. The end, or should I say the beginning, of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure with potential and together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place.